I'm going to run the script. This time I need to have the font because I'm going to show you how to change the format as well. So the first one, we have the customer key, customer alternate key, customer name, and this is the date, birth date. We can eliminate this because we don't use this this field anymore. We talked about that field in the previous sessions, right? So now we have 4 columns. Okay. So let's say let's do a write string function right here. So write function, the syntax right here. This is a string and the numbers of characters. The write function is to extract a number of character from a string. So you want to extract this character, right? The customer key. So write the customer alternate key columns. So write function will give you, depending on what numbers you put it on right here. In this example, I put 5. So the write function will take the 5 characters from the right of this field. Now, what about substrings? Substrings is a function to extract some characters from a string. So the format is you have this substrings function, and then you put that strings or your column, and you put your starting point, and then how far. Okay, so in this example, I use the substring of the customer alternate key columns. I want to start with the position 2, which is the W here, and I want to go like 4 character. Yeah, 4 characters. If I run this, that will give me the W0001. I'm sorry, 000. So I have 4 characters, including the initial second. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you see this, you will see this a lot, substrings being used on the query, SQL query. Okay, now how about left string function? Same thing like write functions. The left is to take from the left hand side. So let's do left, what we call this, okay. So for the left functions is just like the right function. Okay, so I use the left function on the first name field right here. We know that the customer name is the combination of the first name and the last name. Okay, the first name is Shannon right here. If I use left function for my first name, I just want to take the first character. That will give me S. Okay, then I add combine concate with my last name. That will give me the S Carson. Same thing with all this. That's for the left. Okay, the lower and upper is to change the casing. So same, yeah, exactly. So the same customer name, which is combination of customer first name and customer last name. I use the lower and upper. As you can see, the upper will change the customer name to the uppercase, and the lower will change all of them to lowercase. Okay. Now, how about the len? Len function is to return the length of a string. So I have the phone number, this guy right here. I want to see how many characters of this length. Okay, so if I put len of the phone field, I alias that as a length. If I execute this query, I got the 19 characters count, including the white space. Okay, now how about stuff? Stuff is, let's see, stuff function is to delete a part of string, then insert another part into string, starting at the specific position. That is the stuff right here. So I have it right here, stuff from font field. So I want to, let's run this. So this is my stuff. Let me alias this stuff field. So stuff to delete and replace with the spacing right here. So I want to take the first position from 1 as to 7 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including the spacing, right? So I want to delete the entire 7 characters and replace with the spacing. Okay, that will give me, for example, this field output will give me just the 500, 555, 01, 10, including the dash right here. Okay, and if I do my case statement, I wanna format my phone number. Let me run this. So you see, I have a better format, correct? So I have my case statement. When my length phone numbers greater than 12, anything greater than 12, I wanna replace this blank space right here with I'm sorry, I wanna, so in my case statement, if my font output length greater than 12, I wanna replace the first 7 characters with I wanna remove them, delete. Okay, then I wanna replace the white, the blank, the spacing right here. You see, there's a spacing between 500 and 555 with the dash. Only if the output, the length of the output of font field greater than 12. If the field is less than 12, we want to keep it as is, so that's why I got this format. It's a lot better. Cool. So that is for the string, Vijaya. Let's see. The concat is to add 2 or more string together. I can show you concat. Let's see, where's the concat? I can add this. Let's say we want to add the substring this with this, for example. Okay, so substring string, this guy, we want to add. Okay, so let's do this just for the testing purposes. We want to concat, this is the concat. You have string 1, string 2, and string whatever. function to add two or more string together. So you can do customer alternate key. Let's do this guy first. This guy here is this column right here. Okay, so you wanna add this value with the customer key. So the first string is this guy right here, and my second string is this guy right here. Concat field. If I execute this, you see, I combine this field with this guy right here to get this. Oh, sorry. I actually choose the customer alternate key instead the customer key. So my second string should be the customer key instead the customer alternate key. If I rerun the script, then this is my concat additional column.